Mikey Shaw, and this is a video on macromolecules, specifically two, fats and lipids, and nucleic acid. First, I want to talk about fats and lipids. Lipids are naturally occurring molecules that include fats, waxes, sterols, fat-soluble vitamins, monoglycerides, diglycerides, triglycerides, and phospholipids. The main function of a lipid is storing energy and signaling and acting as structural components of cell membranes. A main component of fats and lipids is glycerol. Glycerol is a simple polyol, a sugar-alcohol compound. It contains 3 hydroxyl groups, and glycerol is the center of mono, di, and triglycerides. Fatty acids are carboxylic acids with an aliphatic tail, which is usually saturated and unsaturated. Most naturally occurring acids have chains of carbon atoms. There are 2 types of triglycerides, one being saturated, the other being unsaturated. Saturated fat contains no double bonds in the fatty acid chain, while unsaturated contains a double bond in the fatty acid chain. The second type of macromolecules I want to talk about are nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are essential for life and contain nucleotides, which consist of a 5-carbon sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen base. Nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, and uracil. Nitrogen bases are organic molecules with the chemical properties of a base. Phosphate is a functional group that consists of a phosphorus attached to 4 oxygens and with a negative net charge, represented as PO4 negative. DNA consists of nucleotides and is one of the 2 major nucleic acids. The nucleic acid, or the 5-carbon sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. DNA is a molecule that encodes the genetic instructions used in development and functioning of all living organisms. Deoxyribose is the sugar in DNA, and that distinguishes it from RNA. RNA is a family of large biological molecules that perform multiple vital roles in coding, decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. Messenger RNA, or mRNA, is the RNA that carries information from DNA to the ribosome. Transfer RNA, or tRNA, is molecules deliver amino acids to the ribosome. Ribosomal RNA, or rRNA, they link amino acids together to form proteins. Ribose is the sugar monomer in RNA, a distinct characteristic of RNA, and I hope that's helpful.